Welcome to Akshara Max Academy. Today we are going to learn case studies for grade 9, chapter number 1, number system. For grade 9, case studies for the chapter coordinate geometry and a linear equation in two variables already is posted in this Akshara Max Academy. The link is given in the description. Please make use of it. Today's case study is democracy has given people a powerful right, that is to vote. In India, every citizen over 18 years of age has a right to vote. Instead of enjoying it as a holiday, one must vote if he truly wants to contribute to the nation building process and bring up the change. A survey was done in a small area in which root of 9 plus 2x minus root of 2x voters are men and 5 by 9 plus 2x voters are women. Read the following statement carefully and answer the following questions. First question, find x if the number of men is equal to the number of women. So options is given here. So second question, which mathematical concept is used here? So this is number system, circle, area and statistics. Third question, a power p into a power q option is given. Then D option, 7 1 power 5 divided by 7 1 by 5 power 1 by 5 divided by 7 power 1 by 3. So divided means what answer you are going to get, that we will check it. If R is a rational number and S is an irrational number, then which statement is false? So for this statement we are going to check it which statement is correct. So these 5 questions we are going to learn. So the first question, we will come back to the first question what they are given. Find x if number of men is equal to the number of women. What is men they are given here? Root of 9 plus 2x minus root 2x. They told number of men, this is number of men, which is equal to number of women. Number of women is 5 by root of 9 plus 2x. This is number of women. So here we have denominator, no, that you can take it to this side. So what you are going to get, 9 plus 2x root of 9 plus 2x into root of 9 plus 2x minus root of 2x. So which is equal to 5. So just multiply inside, sir, what you are going to get. So root of 9 plus 2x, root of 9 plus 2x you are going to get as 9 plus 2x minus root of 9 plus 2x minus this will become into, so into root of 2x. So this is one term, so which is equal to 5. You take this 5 to this side and minus root that you take it to the next side. So 9 plus 2x minus 5 which is equal to 9 plus 2x into 2x, it will be under the root. So you subtract what you are going to get, 2x plus 4 which is equal to root of 9 plus 2x into 2x. Now we can squaring on both sides, then only I can remove the square and then only I can find out the value of x. So 2x plus 4 the whole square which is equal to, if you square it means the square root will be cancelled. So 9 plus 2x into 2x you are going to get. So just I am going to square it, sir. So a plus b the whole square. So a square plus 2 into a into b. So here plus b square, sir. B square value is 4 the whole square which is equal to. Now you can multiply this and this. So 9 into 2x it will become 18x plus 4x square it will come. So 2x square means you are going to get 4x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16x plus 16 which is equal to 18x plus 4x square it will come. 4x square will get cancelled. So now you are going to take this 16x to the next side. So 16 is equal to 18x minus 16x. So 16 is equal to 2x. So x is equal to 8. So value of x is 8. So you check the option C is correct. So x value is equal to 8. X value is equal to 8. So next question. Which mathematical concept is used here means number system. So here a power p into a power q, the dot indicates its meaning is multiplication. So we know the formula for a power m into a power n is nothing but a power m plus n. This is the formula we know. So here instead of m and n they are given p and q. So which will be correct means m plus n. So it will become p plus q. So option A is correct. Here you can check. So what formula we can use it is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. We can use it here. Base value they are given as 7, power m value they are given as 1 by 5, n value they are given as 1 by 3. Bases are same, so we can subtract. So 7 power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. 7 power 1 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So 7 power, take cross multiplication, 3 minus 5 by 15. So it will become 7 minus 2 by 15. So option A is correct. Option first is correct. So here they are given that if R is a rational and S is an irrational, then which statement is correct? They are asking. So if R is a rational number and S is an irrational number, then which statement is correct? Statement is false. The question is which statement is false? They are asking. So first rational number plus irrational number. This indicates addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. If you are doing these 4 fundamental operations, what answer you are going to get? Always you are getting as irrational number only. And if you are doing irrational number, if you are doing fundamental 4 arithmetic operations, if you are doing 2 irrational number, if you are doing for 4 fundamental operations for the 2 irrational numbers, it may be a rational or may not be a rational. So that is called as rational number or irrational number. So here you can check, sir. So what you are going to check? R plus S, rational number plus irrational number is irrational. So this statement is true. Rational number minus irrational number, this is also irrational number. So this condition satisfied here. Rational number into irrational number. So multiplication also irrational number. Rational number divided by irrational number is rational number they are given. But answer what we should get, sir? Irrational number. So statement, which statement is false is statement number 4 is false. So I think this video is liked by you. This case study is liked by you. If you like this video, share to your friends. Still, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel. And if you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.